Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over than 20 years. This channel is about how we can do a faceless affiliate marketing, and you can see at the bottom there is a faceless affiliate marketing guide. If you are new to the channel, I recommend you to start from part 1, 2, 3, etc. in order to understand the series and of course to subscribe. In today's video, I will continue the series of 2 tiers affiliate programs. If you remember, the last video was about Builderall, that it's my recommend 2-tier affiliate programs. And in this video, I will show you about Systeme.io. Systeme.io is also in the same niche as Builderall and ClickFunnels. You can create sales funnels there, send emails marketing, build websites, and a lot more options. In today's video, we will focus about the affiliate programs of Systeme.io and all the other options of 2 tiers inside this system. When we log into the affiliate dashboard of Systeme.io, we can see at the top that there is the affiliate dashboard and the marketplace beside it. Of course, you can get here the affiliate links that you need in order to promote Systeme.io. And you can see a marketplace offers. Systeme.io did a change to the affiliate programs. In the past, it was 40% for the first tier and 5% for the second tier. Now they change it. They change it to 50% for the first tier, and there is no second tier. We can find the second tier inside the marketplace. You can see also that Systeme.io give you materials like affiliate swipes. If you click on the Start Promoting Now button, you see that you will have access to affiliate swipes. But if you click on it, you will see that you will get more options like images and more materials that you can use in order to promote this program. You see also that Systeme.io have a free plan, so it will be easier to you as affiliate in order to check and test the system before you recommend it to other people. I will add a link in the description to the Systeme.io free plan. It's my affiliate link, but of course I will be glad if you can subscribe and test the Systeme.io system under me. It won't cost you anything. Until now, what I show is that Systeme.io is like a regular recurring affiliate program with one tier. But the reason I'm showing you Systeme.io affiliate program in the 2 tiers affiliate program series is that inside the marketplace of Systeme.io, we can find the 2 tiers offers. If we click on the marketplace aside the affiliate dashboard, you can see in the marketplace that there are many offers with a 2-tier structure inside them. I just filter it by 2 tiers, and you can see the offers with the 2 tiers, and you just need to click on them and start to promoting and get the 2 tiers commission structure. Because of that, I think that even that Systeme.io changed their structure and they don't have the 2 tiers when you're promoting the Systeme.io system, you can still use the affiliate marketplace in order to find the offers that you can promote with a 2-tier structure. This is very unique to the other platforms. That's all for today's video. Of course, I recommend you to test the free plan. Like I said, I have a link in the description. In the next video, we will continue our series about 2 tiers affiliate programs, and I will show you more options of affiliate programs that you can use. Thanks.